Hello people! During the event Galaxy Unpacked, Samsung presented two new models of smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. These smartwatches have large, bright screens, thinner frames, a faster processor, improved sleep tracking and various new training tracking features. And before we start, friends, I recommend subscribing to our Telegram channel at the link in the description. The most up-to-date insiders and news are only there. Be sure to subscribe or look for Technogar. We will be the first. The company has also returned the iconic rotating bezel in the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This element is intended not only for showing and imitating the classic design. The bezel rests on a 3D hollow sensor, which determines its position, and users can rotate it to control the user interface of the watch. Samsung replaced the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with screens increased by 20% and thinner frames. The typical brightness of the screens of the new smartwatches is 2000 nits, which corresponds to the Apple Watch Ultra. The Galaxy Watch 6 has a 30% thinner bezel than the Galaxy Watch 5, and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has a 15% thinner rotating bezel than the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. In addition, Samsung has developed a completely new mechanism for replacing the straps with one click and added a new fabric strap, which is provided for free during the pre-order period. The Galaxy Watch 6 is available in sizes 40 and 44mm, and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in sizes 43 and 47mm. The 40mm version of the Galaxy Watch 6 is equipped with a 1.3-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 4032 by 4320 pixels. The 44mm version of the smartwatch has a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels. As for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, the 43mm version has a 1.3-inch Super AMOLED display, and the 47mm version is equipped with a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display. The full-color always-on display mode now supports automatic screen brightness, which helps you see better on the street. Both smartwatches use sapphire glass on the display to protect it from scratches. They have IP68 dust and water resistance protection, and comply with the MIL-STD 810H standard for impact resistance. The 40mm Galaxy Watch 6 will be sold in graphite and gold colors, and the 44mm Galaxy Watch 6 in graphite and silver. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is available in black and silver versions. The Galaxy Watch 6 series is equipped with a slightly faster Exynos W930 processor, 2GB of RAM and 16GB of built-in memory. The Exynos W930 has a dual-core processor with a frequency of 1.4 GHz, which is 200 MHz faster than the Exynos W920 used in the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. The 40mm version of the Galaxy Watch 6 and the 43mm version of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic are powered by a 300 mAh battery. The 44mm Galaxy Watch 6 and the 47mm Galaxy Watch 6 Classic are powered by a 425 mAh battery. The device supports fast wireless charging with a capacity of 10 watts. Thanks to the new processor, lower power consumption and a little more capacity, the latest Samsung smartwatches provide a longer runtime. The stated runtime is up to 30 hours with the always-on display on and 40 hours with the always-on display off. The new smartwatches are powered by One UI 5-watch software based on the Wear OS 4. The smartwatches understand the features of your sleep, help to develop a habit of sleeping better and create more favorable conditions for sleep. After measuring the total sleep time, sleep cycle, awakening time, physical and mental recovery, smartwatches will show you personalized tips for improving sleep quality and detailed feedback every morning. The new smartwatches also offer personalized heart rate zones, more than 100 options for monitoring workouts and the ability to create your own workout routines. The new Track Run feature records your runs on the track and provides valuable data. They also have a new feature called Notification of Irregular Heart Rhythm, which can notify you of your heart rate disorders. The new ThermoChat app allows you to check the temperature of the surrounding environment and objects. For example, you can check the temperature of the food you are going to eat or the temperature of the water before bathing. This feature does not require physical contact with the object. Many popular applications, such as Audible, Google Calendar, Gmail, MyFitnessPal and Peloton, will appear in the Galaxy Watch 6 series and previous Galaxy Watch models. Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic are available for pre-order on July 26. Devices will arrive at the store shelves on August 11, 2023. Prices for the Galaxy Watch 6 series start at $300 for the cheapest model. Well, folks, I think you got a decent watch. Write your opinion and impressions about these watches in the comments under this video.
Yeah.